You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. This is the plural. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos and link to a few for you at the end of this one. So let's break it down. How to pronounce in English things. You have to pronounce the TH with your tongue between your teeth. Th, th. Things. Then you have an N sound. Things. How to pronounce English pronunciation things. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.